Easy steps for INR deposits on the CoinDhan application. Open your CoinDhan app and click on the Wallet button on the taskbar. Now click on the Deposit INR button. Enter the amount you want to deposit and click on the Continue button. Now with the direct bank transfer option, you can proceed to complete your deposits. Click on the Confirm button to initiate a deposit. Copy the account details and deposit through the National Electronic Fund Transfer, Real-Time Gross Settlement, or Unified Payments Interface account transfer option and enter the transaction ID of your bank transfer to proceed. Your bank transaction ID for UPI is a 12-digit unique number as shown in the video. Your UTR number for NEFT and RTGS is a 22-character long number. For example, XIM-4X is IFSC bank code for the sender. R represents the RTGS system. C represents the channel of the transaction. And represents the year, month and date of the transaction. Hash denotes the sequence number. Please do not enter your phone number or UPI identification number under the transaction identification section. Congratulations, you have completed the deposit.